Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Gulaman Flan. To begin, gently melt about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar directly in your anura or mold over low heat until it turns a beautiful amber. Swirl it to coat the bottom evenly. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together 4 rich egg yolks, 1 can of sweet condensed milk, and 1/2 cup of creamy evaporated milk. Strain this mixture through a fine mesh sieve to achieve that perfectly smooth, silky flan texture we all love. Now let's get the gulaman ready. In a saucepan, combine 1 sachet of unflavored gulaman powder with 4 cups of water. Stir this well to dissolve the powder completely. Then, add about 1/2 cup of sugar to sweeten our gulaman layer. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, making sure to stir continuously. This ensures the gulaman fully dissolves and prevents any lumps, giving us a clear, firm jelly. With your caramel set, carefully pour the strained flan mixture into the anura. Now, it's time to steam. Place the anura in a steamer over simmering water, ensuring the water doesn't touch the flan. Steam for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the flan is just set but still slightly jiggly in the center. Once steamed, gently pour the warm, dissolved gulaman mixture directly over the still warm flan. After combining the layers, let your gulaman flan cool down completely at room temperature. This step is crucial for proper setting. Once cooled, transfer it to the refrigerator and chill for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. This extended chilling time ensures both the flan and gulaman layers are perfectly firm. When ready to serve, simply run a thin knife around the edges, then invert the anura onto a serving plate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.